Hey everyone, welcome back. Instagram has just rolled out a new fast forward feature for Reels, allowing users to speed up videos by just holding down on either edge of the screen. This action plays the content at double speed, much like a feature already available on TikTok. To use this pretty handy feature, simply press and hold on the right or the left side of the screen while watching a reel. The video will then play at 2x speed, helping you skip ahead and focus on the parts that capture your interest. With users accustomed to consuming short, snappy content, the fast forward option could encourage viewers to stick around and finish longer reels instead of scrolling past them. It's worth pointing out that when reels first launched, the Meta-owned platform limited their length to just 15 seconds. However, with the maximum duration now extended to 3 minutes, playback controls like fast forwarding have become more important for navigating longer videos efficiently. This update is part of Instagram's ongoing effort to stay competitive in the short-form video space by adopting TikTok-style features. The platform previously introduced Remix, which mimics TikTok's duet feature, allowing users to create side-by-side videos with existing content. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily use Instagram's own new fast-forward feature to skip ahead in Reels. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye.